Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix to run this application. You first must install one of the following version of the .NET framework. When try to open application in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search .NET framework, download, press enter, select the first link, scroll down. Now you just need to download the version that you get the error. In my case, the version is required v4.0. As you can see here, just expand this out of support versions. And as you can see, 4.0 version. Select the link and download it. In here, you just need to scroll down. Offline installer. Select runtime next to offline installer, and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. Select yes. In my case, I already have installed the version, so I'm getting this error. After the installation done, you just need to close it off here and you can open the application without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.